Welcome to Explain the Charts, where we break down the latest market data and news to help you make informed trading decisions. Today, October 3rd, 2024, we're taking a close look at Apple stock, and how recent news might be influencing its price action. Let's begin by reviewing the recent headlines. There's been some concern about softening demand for the newly released iPhone 16, with analysts suggesting that production orders have been cut. This news has contributed to some downward pressure on AAPL stock price. Additionally, there's been talk about the impact of artificial intelligence on Apple's future. Some analysts believe that AI could disrupt the demand for traditional hardware devices, which may be a factor to consider. Overall, the news paints a somewhat mixed picture for Apple. While there's optimism surrounding Apple's shift towards services, the concerns about iPhone demand and the potential impact of AI create some uncertainty. Let's now dive into the charts and see if we can find any correlations with the recent news. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that Apple has been in a steady uptrend since the beginning of the year. The stock price has shown remarkable resilience and has been consistently making higher highs and higher lows. However, we can also see a recent pullback, which may be tied to the concerns about iPhone 16 demand. The stock price has been testing the 200-day moving average, which is often seen as a key level of support. Now, let's zoom in on the 1-hour chart to get a more detailed view of the recent price action. Here, we can see some interesting patterns. Notice the recent consolidation phase, where the price has been trading in a tight range. This consolidation might be a sign of indecision in the market, as traders weigh the various news developments and try to determine the next move. Within this consolidation range, we can identify key levels of support and resistance. The lower bound of this range appears to be around 223, while the upper bound is around 226. It's likely that the price will find support near 223 and resistance near 226. If we look at the past few weeks of candles on the 1-hour chart, we can see that the price has bounced off the 223 support level several times. Conversely, the price has been unable to break above the 226 resistance level consistently. The 15-minute chart can offer even more insights into the short-term price movements. Looking at the 15-minute candles, we can see a recent increase in volatility. This increased volatility might be a result of the recent news events and the ongoing consolidation phase. The price has been fluctuating within a narrower range, suggesting that traders are likely cautious and are waiting for a clearer direction. Despite the volatility, the price hasn't broken decisively above or below the key support and resistance levels identified on the 1-hour chart. So, based on the news and chart data, what are our potential predictions? Short-term, Apple seems to be stuck in a consolidation phase. The key levels of support and resistance are 223 and 226, respectively. The price is likely to bounce off the support level and find resistance near the resistance level. If the price breaks above 226, it could signal a renewed bullish trend and a potential move towards the next resistance level around 230. However, if the price breaks below 223, it could indicate a shift in sentiment and a potential move towards the next support level around 220. Long-term, AAPL's outlook remains positive. The stock has shown remarkable resilience and has been consistently making higher highs and higher lows over the past year. However, it's important to monitor the news developments and the potential impact of AI on Apple's future. If the concerns about iPhone demand and the potential disruption from AI become more pronounced, it could negatively impact AAPL's long-term growth trajectory. In conclusion, Apple is currently in a consolidation phase. The recent news about iPhone 16 demand and the impact of AI has created some uncertainty in the market. The price is likely to bounce off the support level around 223 and find resistance near the resistance level around 226. If the price breaks above 226, it could signal a renewed bullish trend, but a break below 223 could indicate a shift in sentiment. Long-term, AAPL's outlook remains positive, but it's important to monitor the news developments and the potential impact of AI. As always, stay informed, analyze the charts, and make your trading decisions based on a combination of news and technical analysis.